Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Open Earbuds Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 over-ear wireless earbuds. These earbuds offer a unique design and impressive features, so let's dive right into the review. First, let's talk about the appearance and design of these Open Earbuds. They come in a sleek BTX rose gold color, giving them a stylish and modern look. The ear hook design is a departure from traditional in-ear headphones, providing a comfortable and secure fit. One of the standout features of these Open Earbuds is their comfort. Unlike in-ear headphones that can feel intrusive, these earbuds gently wrap around your ears, with soft cushions, ensuring a comfortable fit even during extended use. They don't block the ear canal, making them ideal for those who find traditional earbuds uncomfortable. Now, let's talk about sound quality. These earbuds deliver excellent sound performance, with effective noise isolation and minimal sound leakage. You can enjoy clear music and calls in various environments. Battery life is a crucial factor in wireless earbuds, and these do not disappoint. With a 15-hour continuous playback time on a single charge, you won't have to worry about running out of power during your day. Plus, they offer fast charging, taking just 2 hours to fully recharge. These Open Earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.3 technology, ensuring a fast and stable connection with your devices within a range of up to 10 meters. Whether you're working out or doing household chores, you can enjoy uninterrupted music. If you're into sports, these earbuds are designed with you in mind. They have an ear-hanging design that stays secure during physical activities, and are IPX5 sweat and waterproof, so you don't have to worry about damage from sweat. These Open Earbuds are versatile and suitable for various scenarios. Whether you're at the gym, at home, in the office, or on the go, they provide comfortable and painless wearing, allowing you to enjoy your music everywhere. You can get these Open Earbuds Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 over-ear wireless earbuds in the BTX rose gold color for $69.99. They are available on Amazon, and you can find the link in the video description below. Available for $69.99 on Amazon. In conclusion, these Open Earbuds Wireless Bluetooth 5.3 earbuds offer a unique design, excellent comfort, and impressive sound quality. With their long battery life, stable Bluetooth connection, and sports-friendly features, they are a great companion for various activities. If you're looking for comfortable and stylish earbuds, these might be the perfect choice for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.